Alright folks, so embarrassingly enough, this was going to be an initial ride on the wrecked Honda Magna. I brought it down to the gas station and realized I don't have my wallet. So now we have to run back. I don't even know if I have my keys. So I forgot to grab my house keys and I forgot to grab my wallet. So I guess we're taking this back to the house. Definitely a steering bearing issue. There is vibration and it's very tricky. It's not tricky, it's just not smooth. It's a little binding when you try to turn. And now my side stand light has come on, which it's not down. I know that for a fact. But it is what it is. This is the wrecked 97 Magna, and to be honest, this is going to be a good test ride. It's just not going to happen. I do have a vibration in the front, and it's a completely new wheel, so I know that's not the problem. It could be a bearing, but because the steering is tight, I know I need to do that, so that's going to be my first aim to fix. So I think what we'll do, we'll take this home, get my wallet and my keys, and we'll drop this at home and grab a different bike. One that I know, one that's good. Now I did do a chain adjustment, and I love the chain adjustment. That feels really good. So I'm not complaining about that. And I'm not complaining about the side, except the right pipe is all screwed up. So I have to really put my leg out or I burn myself. But I have pants on, so it's not big a deal. Alright, so fun bike. A bit of vibration in the front. I can't put gas in it because I don't have my wallet. So we're just going to run home and grab the Ninja, and I will be back with you in just a minute. I'll leave you guys right along for this while we have it. I thought I was going to have a fun ride. I cannot get a ride on this bike. Just issues, you know? It seems good. Woo! It just isn't ready. And that's fine. It's just good. It's hard to find neutral on this one. I don't know. I had to bend the shifter into place, I think, on this one. But it's all lining up. It's fine. But obviously, these bikes can be hard to find neutral all the time, but something's a little off. Other than, yeah, the steering, like, I can feel resistance, like, if I try to turn. And I need to adjust the rear brake. It's not quite where I like it. I need a little bit more grab. Sounds amazing. Vance and Hines pipes. But we're going to have to go home and get a bike that I can trust, that I don't need to put gas in, or when I have my wallet, I can put gas in it. So, anyway, yeah, as you can see, this is a night ride. I think I'm in first. You can see the speedo works. The tack was actually beat up. The glass is broken, but the needle broke off, but it's still there. So if you really wanted to watch the tack, you can. Just can't see it because the needle's shorter. That's all. So we'll put this back in the stable. We'll grab something else to take down. We are back with the good old fully reliable Ninja 500 1991. Yep. Alright. Now she's where I can sit on her. she's fully ready to go. Well, let her warm up for a minute. And I don't think I need gas. I hope I don't. You never know these days. Let's see. We're not on reserve, so I think we're good to go. If we're not on reserve yet, I probably have a full tank. Okay. I'll see you out there. Alright, so even though this is a change of plans, tell you what, this Ninja is a team player. What a seriously different riding position. These muscles haven't been worked in a while, but I can never, unless the battery's going dead, I've had to charge it a few times, I can never complain about the Ninja 500. I did grab, I didn't grab my keys. I did grab my wallet, so at least I'm okay there. And we're flying along on the 500 Ninja. So, yeah, like I said, the Rec 97, when I first took that out, if you remember that video, if you guys are originals, if you remember that video when I took that down, actually, no, it wasn't 4th of July. The Rec 97 Magna always had some steering binding. It's not like that it's catching or anything, it just really, you turn left to right, it doesn't feel smooth. It just feels like it's dragging. It's not really, I don't know, it's not bad, but you can tell it's not right. So I'm gonna have to pull the forks off of that and replace the bearings there. Hopefully that fixes our vibration. If that doesn't, I guess I'll go after front wheel bearings and maybe replace the axle. I doubt the axle's bent, but you never know. So anyway, on to the 500 Ninja 1991. This guy fired right up, no problem. And jumping from the Magna to the Ninja is kind of crazy. This is kind of an upright sport bike, if I was going to describe it. And I don't know, it's be a great starter bike, great all-arounder. I use it every time another bike makes me nervous or doesn't work. So you go back, you jump on the Ninja, it never lets you down, at least mine doesn't. I did recently sell off my 94 Ninja 500, which is kind of sad, but the opportunity came up and I got to start letting some bikes go. So I sold the 94. I do have all the fairing parts of it. If you remember that bike, it's purple. It's like a Crown Royal theme. Purple and has some gold stripes. Whoa! Okay. I need to watch my roads. So that bike is gone. So I just cleaned the carburetors on it. I don't think I shared that video yet. I'll get to that. Ran them through the ultrasonic cleaner. But that bike is all together gone. It's going to be torn apart and used for a go-kart, golf cart situation. So I have this Ninja left as far as the little 500s go. And it's a blast. Again, never lets me down. Fun as all get out. It's always my go-to if I just need something to get me where I need to go. I don't often ride 2-up on this bike just because it's comfortable enough, but it's not super comfortable. It gets 2 people where they need to go, but it doesn't, like, I wouldn't say jump on there and ride an hour. I would do it myself. I have done it. I've ridden this an hour and a half. And there's not a lot of fatigue on my back. You can lean into it with your wrist, but you don't need to. Like, Right now I'm not putting any stress on my wrist, and there's no need for it. It's just very, very appealing. It's a wonderful bike. It really is. Simple. Has a chain drive, so you're gonna have to think about that. Whoop. And she's a screamer. I feel like my legs just got really wet. Did I just blow something up? My gosh, I am not having good luck. Yeah, my leg is wet. My left leg is wet. I wonder if something popped off. What is going on? My leg just got wet, guys. I think I'll pull over and see what's happening. Oh yeah, there's coolant on my leg. Oh, I'm not having good luck with these bikes tonight. Wonder. Uh-oh, I better get her home. That might. What did I do? What am I doing? I don't know, guys. This is not my night. I'm not sure what happened. Now with a liquid cooled bike, you can ride it a lot of times without an issue. But that's just to get home. That's not to... That is not to, like, go where you're going. And I need this bike to work tomorrow if I'm coming home. So, uh-oh. We got a problem. Oh, come on. We got a real problem. Yeah, we have a real problem. Come on. Uh-oh. I think I blew her up, guys. Something happened here. What was I just saying about this bike being super reliable? Something happened. Here, I have a flashlight in my backpack. Let's see what I did. Let's see, what have I done? What have I done? I definitely did something. I can smell it. Sheesh. What have I done? Whoo! Yep, we got coolant everywhere. Oh, man. All over my leg. Okay. Well, this is brilliant. Yep. What have I done? I blew something off. And now she doesn't want to run. Well, the ultra reliable bike, something just happened. It smells like coolant. It doesn't smell like gas. But that's a problem. That's a problem for me. Yeah, I got coolant everywhere. Question is, where's it coming from? I don't know if I can get her home. I wish I could. I'll figure it out. I'll let you know. That's super annoying. Okay. Ultra reliable bike. Having an issue. No good. I knew my leg got wet. I was like, oh no. What has happened? See if I can get her started again. Maybe I can get her home. I'll try it. Let you know. What happened? What happened, guy? I can't see anything. All right, back on the 95 Custom because nobody bought it. It's nice to have it with the Jardine straight pipes. Boy, it's not my night. And I'll tell you guys, there's other videos coming. It's not been my week. Oh, I got water all over my helmet. Now I can't even see. Alright, well, hopefully that burns itself off. So, first of all, my van lets me sit yesterday. I'll tell you all about the van problems, you know. And then, of course, we take out the wrecked Magna. And then, of course, the Ninja, which has always been predictable and reliable. Blows up on me. So, if you fail, and you fail, and you fail, and you fail again, try again, and hopefully I get to where I'm going safely. So, guys, I don't know, I'm defeated today, but things are good, and God is good, so let's keep riding anyway. So, it's actually colder now than it was. Did I forget to put a layer on? I don't think so. But let's just hope Uncle Fester, the 95 Magna Custom, does everything I expect it to and more, and really is just reliable tonight, because that's all I need. Woo. I do need to... Why'd they flash their lights? I turned my high off. Now I'm nervous. I'm like, oh, what's gonna fail next? Deep breath. When you're riding, you got to be confident. So deep breath. Oh, man, I don't remember. Oh, I didn't come this way. You know what? I bet there's a cop up here. I don't see one there. All right. So deep breaths. Let's relax. Going to see my favorite people, some of my favorite people, and yeah, let's expect this bike to do everything we need it to do. I hope that you're not blurry. Let me wipe you off a little bit. You don't seem to be blurry. Just blurry in my visor because I let it sit out there and collect dew. I should really wipe that off, but I don't really have anything to wipe it off with. Anyway, Uncle Fester is pretty awesome. Maybe nobody's going to be able to buy it because it's reliable and I want to keep it. All in all, we'll go this way. Now remember, took that turn too tight the last time. There's the high beams if you want to flash your lights at me. Alright, well, I believe Uncle Fester's going to get me there. everything's gonna be good. I can relax, have a nice evening finally. So yeah, I'll tell you later about my van, but I got it inspected. It took a lot of rust repair, and that'll be a story for a video. Should I buy a van that's been sitting? Should I buy any vehicle that's been sitting? And then I picked up my van, got tires, and then what happens? It breaks down on me. Leaks gasoline all over the ground. So yesterday I was leaking gas. Today I'm leaking coolant on a bike. It's all fun. There's Buster. Hi, Buster. Yay. Hi, Buster. Come get you tomorrow. So anyway, so the car is getting inspected. It needs some routine stuff, no big deal. But it also needs a radiator support, which is rusted out. So we'll get a radiator support. And then she should be good to go. My Maxima. I'll make some more videos with the Maxima because I know y'all love that car as much as I do. Everybody loves the Maxima. Alright. Now we're out moving. I'd say everything's gonna work out. But we have some work to do on the other bikes. High beams, buddy. High beams. There you go. All right, cruising along. Guys, it's about, now I checked this before when I first left with my first bike. If this is the third bike tonight, it was 59 degrees, which is just fine with me. I'm okay with 59 degrees. I've got layers on, but my leg's wet from coolant. I don't know if I blew a head gasket or what on the Ninja. Definitely something. It's not just a line because that sucker won't start now. So probably a head gasket, which is great. It's not the end of the world, but I really don't want to pull an engine out. That's no fun. It's not fun. Easy stuff like carburetors. I say easy stuff like carburetors. They're usually not fun either, but on that bike they are. So anyway, I have to figure out where my head gasket blew. I'm betting. Because there was coolant everywhere and the engine wouldn't start. So it should start and run okay if it was just a coolant leak, but it was not running. It would not start again. So let's talk about a head gasket. Listen to the Jardine pipes. You could own this bike, then I won't have anything to ride. But you could buy this bike and get these awesome Jardine exhausts. That's up to you. Alright guys, well, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Sorry. Alright, so the third bike's a charm. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out riding. You guys do the same. Be careful, be safe, and whoa, shit. Be careful. Be careful. Watch your back, watch your front. I'll see you on the next one. Really? Come on! There we go. So, the next day, it's a beautiful day. And bike number 3 is doing everything right. It's a shame that our lovely Buster let me down, but it's definitely good. And we have Uncle Fester to get us down the road. There you go. Happy to say, I didn't get stranded again yet.